The landscape of professional photography and cinematography has just hit a massive breaking point.
While the world was watching the incremental updates from other manufacturers, Nikon was quietly engineering a device that bridges the gap between high-end stills and elite cinema production.
Welcome to a new era of imaging. This is the Nikon Z8 Mark II, a camera that doesn't just iterate on its predecessor but fundamentally redefines what a hybrid body is capable of achieving. With the full weight of RED digital cinema technology now integrated into the Nikon ecosystem, the Z8 II has evolved from a versatile workhorse into a specialized instrument of precision. Today, we are breaking down every authentic detail, the revolutionary new processor, and the Hollywood secrets hidden inside this body that are making the competition look like toys from a previous decade. The original Nikon Z8 was arguably the most successful camera in Nikon's history. It gave us nearly all of the flagship power in a body that was actually portable. But as we move through 2026, the landscape is fiercer than ever. To stay on top, Nikon isn't just playing it safe with an incremental update. They are swinging for the fences with a machine designed to dominate the US and premium global markets for the next 5 years. Let's talk about the heart of the beast, the sensor. Authentic reports indicate the Z8 II is debuting a brand new 45.7 megapixel fast-scan stacked CMOS architecture. Now, you might be thinking that 45 megapixels sounds familiar, but do not let the resolution fool you. The magic is entirely in the readout speed. This new sensor architecture is designed to virtually eliminate rolling shutter, bringing it closer than ever to the performance of a global shutter without the massive hit to dynamic range or high ISO performance. This is crucial for high-end sports and wildlife photography where zero distortion is the gold standard. But the real disruption in this spec sheet is the integration of RED technology. This is the first time we are seeing the true fruit of Nikon's multi-billion-dollar acquisition of RED Digital Cinema. The Z8 II features internal 12-bit REDCODE RAW. Let that sink in for a moment. No more external recorders and no more bulky setups just to get professional file formats. You are getting Hollywood-grade compression and the legendary IPP2 Color Science right onto your internal CF Express Type B cards. For creators who are used to the RED workflow, this makes the Z8 II a viable B-cam or even a primary A-cam for high-end commercial work, music videos, and documentaries. Furthermore, the implementation of the R3D workflow within a mirrorless interface is a game-changer for post-production efficiency. This allows editors to manipulate raw metadata such as ISO and white balance directly in the timeline without the heavy overhead of uncompressed files. This level of professional integration has been the holy grail for hybrid shooters for over a decade, and Nikon is the first to deliver it in a compact form factor. Powering all of this is the all-new Expeed AI processor. This isn't just a simple speed boost, it's a complete fundamental shift in how the camera processes reality. The new Deep Intent Predictive Autofocus system doesn't just track an eye, it uses advanced neural networks to predict where a subject is moving based on their skeletal structure and momentum. Whether it's a professional athlete making a snap decision on the field or a bird diving into a lake at 60 miles per hour, the hit rate on the Z8 II is looking to be effectively perfect. For the video shooters, Nikon has finally solved the one thing we all fear: heat management. The Z8 II introduces a revolutionary thermal graphite cooling system. By using aerospace-grade materials, the camera can dissipate heat significantly faster than the original model, allowing for unlimited 8.3K at 60 frames per second recording. You can forget about those dreaded overheating warnings, even in high-temperature environments. We also have to mention the audio capabilities. Nikon is finally giving us internal 32-bit float audio recording. This is a massive win for solo creators and wedding filmmakers. It means you literally cannot clip your audio. From a whisper to a scream, you'll be able to recover that data in post-production perfectly. It's these professional-first features that show Nikon is focused on the premium market that demands reliability over everything else. In terms of ergonomics, the Z8 II keeps the rugged, weather-sealed DNA of its predecessor but adds several key refinements. We're looking at a 5.76 million blackout-free viewfinder with a refresh rate that makes it feel like you're looking through a piece of glass rather than a screen. The buttons are now backlit, a feature borrowed from the flagship Z9 that pro photographers have been begging for, making night shoots or low-light event coverage a breeze. This refined interface also includes a newly designed top-plate LCD that offers high-contrast visibility even under the harsh glare of direct midday sun. Every dial has been recalibrated for a more tactile, mechanical feel, ensuring that muscle memory remains uninterrupted during the most intense shooting scenarios. It is clear that every physical inch of this body was designed by working professionals, for working professionals. Now, let's talk about the reality of the price. In the current market, the original Z8 was a value king. However, with the addition of RED's intellectual property and the high-cost Expeed chip, expect the Z8 II to land with a premium price tag between $4,500 and $4,800. While that is a jump, you have to consider that this camera is effectively replacing a professional cinema camera and a flagship sports body in one single package. The competition from the Sony A1 series and the Canon R5 lineup is real, but Nikon is doing something different here. They aren't just selling a camera, they are selling a unified ecosystem. With the 2026 lens roadmap showing new S-line cinema lenses and high-speed telephotos, the Z-mount is becoming the undisputed home for the hybrid professional who refuses to compromise. Beyond the hardware, the Z8 II introduces an enhanced Cloud Direct workflow. Professionals can now sync their proxy files to a secure server in real time while they shoot. This means a producer on the other side of the country can begin reviewing footage before the camera operator has even packed their gear. It's these forward-thinking connectivity that targets the high-end production houses in the US and Canada, streamlining the transition from set to studio. Additionally, Nikon's new collaboration with top-tier software developers ensures that the Z8 II offers seamless integration with the latest AI-driven editing suites. This allows for instant subject masking and lighting adjustments based on the rich metadata captured during the shoot. This isn't just about capturing an image, it is about accelerating the entire creative process from the moment the shutter clicks to the final export. The question is, does internal RED RAW make this a must-buy for your workflow, or are you waiting to see what the competition does next? The Nikon Z8 II isn't just a camera, it's a statement of intent. They aren't here to participate in the market, they are here to dominate it. If you've been waiting for a reason to switch systems or upgrade your aging DSLR, this is the moment the technology finally caught up to the imagination. This is the peak of mirrorless engineering as we know it in 2026. The shift toward a cinema-first hybrid model is no longer a dream, it is sitting right here in the specs of the Z8 II. Every dial, every menu, and every pixel has been tuned for a demographic that earns their living through an electronic viewfinder. If you value your dynamic range, your workflow speed, and your ability to capture the impossible, the wait for this machine is almost over. Make sure your CF Express cards are ready, because the data rates and the possibilities coming your way are unlike anything we have seen before. The Z8 II is coming, and it is bringing the power of Hollywood cinema to the palm of your hand.